Downloading data from LinkedIn can help you access your profile information, connections, and other valuable data. Follow these steps to successfully download your LinkedIn data. Step 1. Log into your LinkedIn account. Visit the LinkedIn website and enter your credentials to log into your account. Ensure you are using the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Access the settings and privacy. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to the Data Privacy section. In the Settings and Privacy menu, find the Data Privacy section. This is where you can manage your data and request to download. Step 4. Request your data. Look for the option that says Get a copy of your data. Click on it, and you will see options to select specific data types or to download everything. Choose your preferred option and click Request Archive. Step 5. Download your data. After your request is processed, LinkedIn will send you an email with the link to download your data. Follow the link in the email to download the file to your device. By following these steps, you can easily download your data from LinkedIn. Make sure to check your email for the download link and keep your data secure.